So, as you know, we're staying at Davy Crockett cabins. Welcome to our cabin. We're in this one, 1307, and Dan and Hannah are next door. So, obviously parking out the front, barbecue. I don't actually know what's in here. It was open when we got here. Stuff is in there. We've got a picnic bench, and then in we go. Oh, patio doors. Didn't notice those. We have a Liam. So step in and straight into like kitchen area, dishwasher, cooker, microwave, kettle, toaster, coffee maker. We've got a dining table, telly, mirror. Got the sofa with the Liam.
It's very comfy.
Is it? Got the master bedroom. Quite a small space once you got the bed in, but double bed. Another mirror, cupboard, and it is en suite. So, hello again. Disney toiletries, winning. Towels and beddings all included. Shower. And back through, obviously fridge freezer. And here we've got a single toilet and a fuse box. Coat hooks. And another sink and shower. And more Disney toiletries. And then in here, 3 single beds. There's a cot in here. I don't know if that's normally in here or just because we've requested a cot next door and they've put one in here as well. But there's also another bed under there, so it would essentially sleep 4 people in here, and then obviously 2 in the master bedroom. Yeah, they're alright, aren't they?
Yeah.
And for the price, it's a bargain really. It's cheaper for us to stay in here and have 2 cabins than it was to stay in any of the Disney hotels, wasn't it? Obviously this is a Disney hotel, but yeah, so...
Actually, you just come out of...
Yeah, it's one road. You just straight up that road and you're here.
Straight up the road. Yeah, as soon as you come out of...
Out of Disneyland parking, it was over one roundabout and straight up.
Yeah.
So, yeah.